Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kevin Masura, and in this video I will tell you about a day in my life, which is the Monday, the 9th of October 2023. I start my day by waking up at around 6 a.m. After I wake up, I immediately get up from bed and went straight to the bathroom to take a shower and prepare myself for the day. As I finish showering, I immediately change into my freshman uniform, which is a white shirt, a black pants, and a black belt. I set my towel aside and I tidy my collar as I tighten my belt before I head out of my room. After a warm cup of tea and a nice slice of bread, I wear my shoes and bring my motorcycle out of the garage. I turn my motorcycle on and I begin to pull the throttle as I ride straight to my campus. After a 15-minute ride, I arrive at my campus at around 8 a.m. This morning class is administration study, but since the professor kinda came late and we didn't really study anything for today, let's skip a couple hours forward to Islamic religion studies. Right now, the time shows 10:30 a.m. I enter the classroom and wait for the professor to arrive. Today was also the day where me and my group will have a presentation about Islamic worldviews. This was a clip of me and my other group member where we are doing our presentation about Islam and Islamic worldviews. And then this was the part where I explain my presentation, which consists of what is the definition of religion and what is the definition of worldview and what does the connection it has between the 2 points. After we finish our presentation, we open up with a questioning and answering session, which takes about 15 to 20 minutes, as we got 5 questions from both our professor and our fellow students. After all of that campus shenanigans, I began to ride straight home from the campus as I arrived at my house at around 1:30 a.m. I changed into my casual clothes and begin to have lunch at my house. Today I am eating rice with some chicken and some chili paste. After I had lunch and washed the dirty dishes, I rinse and scrub the white shirt that I have soaked overnight so I can hang it outside and let it dry. The way I clean them is usually by soaking them in water that is mixed by washing with detergent, and I let it soak for around 6 to 8 hours. As I finish doing my laundries, I decide to lay back and watch some TV. I rarely watch TV and I usually watch it with my grandma, but this time I think she's pretty tired and she decided to lay back on the bed. Afternoon arrived and the time shows between 4 p.m. and 5:30 p.m. The driveway and lawn was covered by dry leaf. I began sweeping the leaves around and collecting it in one place so later I could put them all in a big bag and let the trash man collect them tomorrow. Or if it's not too much, I usually just collect them and then burn them in the place. After I finish sweeping, I usually head back to my room and then do some homework. But if I didn't have any homework or didn't really do anything, I usually play online games in my laptop with my friends. I tend to spend a lot of time in the game. Time passes, and after dinner, I usually brush my teeth and wash my face before heading to bed. I usually brush my teeth once every morning and once every night. As I finish washing my face and brushing my teeth, I then head straight back to my bed.